Rosewood. I am the buyer and planner at Neocorp. We manufacture rope and cordage in Pawtucket. We're a local textile manufacturer, and we're a pretty small company. We only have about 30 employees. As far as lead times go, if I can get someone in Rhode Island, it could be 3 days to 3 weeks. But if I have to go overseas, it's 3 months. There's tariffs. It is a much longer process. So having those local connections is super important. Personally, I love the filter by industry, filter by code, because that allows me to see a lot of different people in the area that I didn't otherwise know about. It also means that people can see us, and we might get more inquiries from other people who are looking for those same sort of connections.